Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to purchase Telegram stars. Okay, so there are two ways to purchase Telegram stars in the Telegram account. So without wasting my time, let me go to my Telegram account and show you guys how to purchase the Telegram stars. Okay, so when you get to your Telegram account, you first click on this. Okay, so it will take you to your profile settings. Okay, then you scroll down to this. You see they have Telegram Premium, My Stars, Telegram Business, and Gift Premium. Okay, so today we are looking for the stars. Okay, so you click on My Stars. Okay, and this will appear. Okay, Telegram stars. Buy stars to unlock content and services in mini apps on Telegram. Okay, so right now I have 10 stars. Okay, so this is the first method to buy the stars. So to buy, you have to click on this buy more stars, then you select the amount you want. Okay, so to get 75 stars, the price is $1.69. okay, $1.69 to get 75 stars, and to get 250 stars, the price is $5.69. okay, so if you want to buy it, this will use your credit card you have linked to your phone. Okay, I'm using an iPhone right now, so the credit card I have linked to my iPhone will be used to purchase this card. So if I want the 75 stars, I'll just click on this one and it will automatically pops up to pay. Okay, so let me pay. Okay, as you can see, I have made payments right now, so you are all set. Your purchase was successful. Okay, so I have paid the $1.69 for the 75 stars. Okay, so my stars has increased right now to 85. Okay, so this is the first method to buy the Telegram stars in your Telegram account. Okay, so let me show you guys the second method. Okay, so if you can't find this my stars in your Telegram account, then you have to use this second method to buy the Telegram stars. Okay, so the second method, you have to search for Dogger King. Okay, you search for Dogger King. Okay, so you search for the first one. You see Dogger King bot. Okay, you search for that one. It's a bot on Telegram. Okay, then you click on start. Then you click on this. So you click on this buy. Okay, you see there is 1 star on it, so you click on this buy and this will appear. So they will say confirm and pay for 1 star. Okay, so you click on this, and if you don't have enough stars, it will take you to this place. Then you select the amount you want, like we did in the first place. So if you want 75 stars, you just choose this one. If you want 250 stars, you just choose the 5.69 on. Okay, so the one you want, just select. Okay, then you make payment to it, and it will also use your credit card to pay. Okay, so if you want the 250 stars, you just click on 250. Okay, and it will appear for you to pay. Okay, so this is how you can buy Telegram stars in your Telegram account. Okay, as you can see, I have 85 stars. I just bought these stars right now. Okay, so if this video helped you to buy your Telegram stars, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.